I think if we really want to improve our English, we need to start with the most common sentences used in daily life, because practicing useful phrases will make speaking much easier and faster.
I agree. Learning random words doesn't help much. Using sentences like, "Could you help me please?" or "I would like a cup of coffee" in context is more effective.
Exactly. We can make a list of situations: ordering food, shopping, asking for directions, greeting people, and talking about routines.
And for each situation, we can write common sentences and practice them aloud every day until they become natural.
That makes sense. For example, "I'm looking for a bookstore nearby," or "Could you please tell me how to get to the metro station?" are sentences we'll actually use.
We can also practice polite expressions like, "Excuse me," "I'm sorry," "Thank you very much," or "Could you repeat that?" because these make conversations smooth and natural.
And we should focus on complete sentences, not just words. For instance, instead of saying coffee, say, "I'd like a coffee with milk, please."
Yes, full sentences are key. That's what will make us sound fluent and confident instead of robotic.
I also suggest we rotate roles. One person asks a question, one answers, and one observes to give feedback.
That way, we practice speaking, listening, and correcting mistakes, which is faster than just repeating sentences alone.
And we can make it fun by creating little dialogues, like role-playing a cafe or a shop scenario.
Recording ourselves occasionally will help identify pronunciation mistakes and track improvement over time.
I feel more confident already knowing we have a structured plan to practice common sentences daily.
Me too. Consistent daily practice will definitely improve our English faster than random studying.
Perfect. Let's start tomorrow morning with 30 sentences and practice them in conversation, making sure to use them naturally.
I've been compiling a list of sentences we could start with, like greetings, asking questions, and describing our routines.
Great. I suggest we start with morning routines. I usually wake up at 7, I make coffee before starting work, and I check my emails first thing in the morning.
And we can also include travel-related sentences like, "How much is a ticket to the museum?" or "Could you tell me where the nearest bus stop is?"
For social conversation, we can use sentences like, "How was your weekend?" or "I really enjoyed the movie we watched yesterday."
And for polite requests, "Could you please help me?" or "Would you mind repeating that?"
We should also practice expressing opinions. "I think this cafe is really cozy because the atmosphere is relaxing," or "I like reading books in the evening because it helps me relax."
Adding connectors like because, but, or so makes our sentences longer and more natural.
And practicing questions with complete answers helps for real conversations like, "What do you usually do on weekends?" "I usually go for a walk, read a book, or meet friends."
Role-playing these dialogues will help reinforce vocabulary and sentence patterns.
I feel excited to start practicing. Using sentences we actually need in daily life will make learning feel practical.
And repeating them aloud until they flow naturally will improve both pronunciation and confidence.
I also suggest we note any difficult sentences and review them each day to make sure they become automatic.
That makes sense. Consistency is key.
Agreed. I'm ready to start daily practice tomorrow.
Perfect. Morning and afternoon sessions. 30 sentences each, with role play and reflection. Let's commit to it.
Okay, let's start our first session. I'll begin with a simple greeting. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I slept well and had a good breakfast. How was your morning so far?
It was good. I prepared my notes and planned our practice sessions so we can focus on useful sentences and conversation skills.
Perfect. I also want to practice asking questions naturally, like, "What do you usually do in the morning?" or "Do you like drinking coffee in the morning?"
That's a good idea. Asking questions encourages conversation and helps us form responses in full sentences instead of one-word answers.
Let's try describing routines with reasons. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning because I like to start my day calmly before work or study.
I'll try. I usually check my emails first and then make a cup of coffee because it helps me focus and feel ready for the day.
And I'll say, I like going for a short walk after breakfast because it clears my mind and gives me energy for the morning.
Now let's practice polite requests. Could you help me find the nearest bookstore? Or would you mind repeating that slowly?
I want to include casual conversation too. Did you watch the movie last night? Or, I really enjoyed the show because it was funny and interesting.
And for opinions, I think practicing English with friends is more effective because we get immediate feedback and can correct mistakes naturally.
Let's repeat these sentences aloud a few times to focus on pronunciation and natural intonation.
I can already feel my confidence improving. Speaking full sentences naturally is easier than I expected.
Perfect. Daily repetition like this will help these sentences become automatic in real conversation.
Hello, I'd like a cappuccino with almond milk, please. And could you make it extra hot?
I'll have a latte, please. Could you also recommend a pastry that's popular here?
I'd like a chocolate muffin and a glass of iced tea, please. How long will it take to prepare?
Thank you. Could you also tell me if this cafe has Wi-Fi? I'd like to work here for a short while.
That sounds perfect. I usually prefer cafes with a quiet area for reading or working and soft music in the background.
I completely agree. The atmosphere makes a difference. I like cafes where I can focus and enjoy the environment.
Practicing these real-life sentences feels so different from just repeating them at home. It forces me to respond naturally and politely.
Yes, and I'm noticing my pronunciation and intonation are smoother than this morning. Real practice reinforces learning fast.
Also, asking follow-up questions feels natural now. Could you recommend another dish? Or is there a place nearby for reading quietly?
And combining opinions with questions makes conversation interactive, like, I think this cafe is cozy. What do you recommend for a quick snack?
I feel more comfortable engaging in English with strangers. It's less intimidating than I expected.
Yes, and practicing real situations accelerates fluency because we use sentences we actually need in everyday life.
I also feel more confident forming longer sentences naturally. I usually visit a cafe in the afternoon because it helps me relax and review my notes.
And I can describe routines too. I check my emails, practice English, and then go for a walk before dinner.
Perfect. Practicing in context combined with repetition at home is the fastest way to improve English fluency.
It's such a nice morning to practice outdoors. I think speaking in a new environment, like this park, will help me get used to forming sentences spontaneously instead of relying on routines.
Totally. Being in a casual environment forces us to respond naturally, like, could you tell me where the nearest fountain is? Or, do you know when the next bus arrives?
And we can combine sentences. I usually go for a walk in the morning because it helps me wake up and focus, but today I wanted to practice English outside.
Let's practice asking and answering questions naturally. For example, what do you usually do in your free time? I usually go for a walk, read a book, or listen to music.
I can try describing routines too. I like jogging in the park in the morning because it keeps me energetic for the rest of the day.
And adding opinions. I think practicing English outside is helpful because it simulates real-life conversations and unexpected questions.
I'll try a longer sentence. I usually bring my notebook and write new phrases I learn, and today I'm using them to practice conversations with you.
I like that. It forces me to structure my thoughts into complete sentences instead of short fragments.
And if we make mistakes, we correct each other immediately. I usually read a book in the morning, instead of I read book morning.
Exactly. Correcting mistakes right away helps me internalize grammar and sentence patterns faster.
And asking follow-up questions keeps the conversation going. Do you like reading books outdoors or at home?
I'll answer. I prefer reading outdoors because the fresh air makes me feel relaxed. But sometimes I enjoy the quiet of home too.
Practicing this way builds confidence for spontaneous conversations, even in unfamiliar settings.
And it helps me combine multiple ideas naturally. I like jogging in the morning, reading during the afternoon, and practicing English with friends in the evening.
Perfect. Daily outdoor practice adds variety and prepares us for real-life conversations anywhere.
Today I want to practice using English in a professional setting, like explaining my work experience or daily tasks. In my previous internship, I managed schedules for a team of 5 and coordinated meetings efficiently.
And I'll add, I created content for social media campaigns and monitored engagement metrics to improve audience interaction.
I'll practice. I assisted in analyzing data trends and preparing reports that helped my team make informed decisions.
We can also practice asking questions politely. Could you clarify the deadline for this project? Or would you mind reviewing my report before submission?
And we can respond to suggestions naturally. That's a great idea. I will implement it right away and follow up with you tomorrow.
I also want to practice expressing opinions. I think prioritizing tasks by urgency improves team efficiency and reduces stress during busy periods.
Let's simulate a short meeting scenario. I'd like to share an update on the project and suggest a few improvements we could make for efficiency.
And responding. Thank you for the update. I agree that your suggestions will benefit the team, and I'll support implementing them.
Practicing this way helps me form sentences naturally, even in professional contexts where vocabulary and tone matter.
I also feel more confident using polite professional phrases like, I appreciate your feedback, or could we discuss this further?
And practicing role-play responses ensures we can think quickly and speak fluently during real interactions.
I noticed that combining opinions, explanations, and questions in long sentences improves clarity and makes speech sound natural.
Practicing in a professional scenario also helps me prepare for interviews, meetings, and networking events.
And speaking confidently in context reinforces learning from our classroom and home practice.
Perfect. Using English actively in professional scenarios accelerates fluency and builds confidence in any workplace.
I can't believe how much more natural speaking English feels now. I can form long sentences, ask questions, and respond without hesitation.
I feel the same. Even when describing my daily routine or expressing opinions, sentences flow naturally. I usually go for a walk in the afternoon because it helps me think and relax.
I noticed that casual conversations are easier now too. I really enjoyed the exhibition yesterday. What did you think about it?
And I can ask follow-up questions without pause, like, could you tell me more about that? Or, why do you think that happened?
I feel more confident ordering food or asking for directions. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest metro station?
Even when people respond with longer sentences, I can follow and reply naturally. Thank you for explaining. I will take that route.
Practicing daily and using English in real situations really accelerates learning. Speaking feels less intimidating and more natural.
I also feel that using polite phrases like, I appreciate your help, or would you mind repeating that, makes conversations smoother and more confident.
Describing routines and experiences in context has made forming longer sentences easier. I usually study English for an hour after work, and then I review new vocabulary.
And I'm finally able to express opinions fluently. I think practicing English with friends is the best way to improve quickly because we get immediate feedback.
I love combining casual and professional phrases naturally. I met a colleague today and we discussed our project while sharing coffee.
Even role-playing real-life situations outside class, like talking to shopkeepers or strangers, reinforces what we learn in structured practice.
I feel proud of our progress. Just a few weeks of structured practice and real-life application made a huge difference.
I agree. English now feels like a tool I can use freely, instead of a language I have to think about constantly.
Perfect. Consistency, practical application, and support of friends really accelerate English fluency, and now we can communicate confidently everywhere.